Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today we're going to show you on how to change YouTube comments language. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your YouTube application and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on general. Now scroll down until you can see the location. So here we have to change the location to the language that we want. Okay, so I'll be choosing United Kingdom. And then after that, we have to go to our phone settings. Okay, that's right. And then using the search bar, we have to type out language. Okay, that's right. And then select the same with the YouTube location that you choose. Then right after that, let's go back to YouTube and search for a video that's using a different language. For example, a Spanish video. And let's try to go to the comments, and you'll be able to see here the translate to English version of the
No hay
comment.
nada mejor
Okay, since
que un buen
we
vaso
changed the
de
settings of our
agua
phone as
fresquita.
well as the settings of the YouTube language, of course it will be detected. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios.